So after completing my graduation, I started exploring about this data analytics and data science field.
Okay.
As you know, it is the most demanding field in the market right now. So I started exploring about the courses and various platforms on YouTube, Udemy, everything. Then it's not working for me. Like I'm a guy from a non-tech background, right? So the coding part is not relevant to me. After doing your course and watching your videos, it just helped me a lot. Even people from North America and Europe are contacting me if I am free to work with them in a project. 4 lakh per annum to 5 between 5 lakh per annum is an average salary to a Power BI developer. Even 6 lakh. I've seen the people who are getting 6 lakhs as a fresher.
Jay Pandey, one of my mentees who is a commerce graduate and was a fresher. He learned Power BI because there is no coding and no technical knowledge is required. And within 3 months of learning Power BI, he got his first interview call. He cracked that interview and got an amazing opportunity as a business intelligence analyst with an average salary of 4 to 5 lakh per annum. In this video, he will be discussing his entire journey of learning this most in-demand skill, that is Power BI. Also, he will be talking about how interviewer approached him, what all questions were asked during the interview, and how ultimately he got this job. Also, if you are a fresher or working in a different domain and would like to switch your career into the field of data analytics and visualization, then the good news is that I'm holding a free masterclass where I will be explaining the entire career scope of Power BI for you. And also upon joining, you will be getting my best-selling ebook, which is 101 Data Analytics Power BI interview question worth ₹1,500 absolutely free. The link for this free masterclass is given in the description, bio, and in the first comment. Let's complete this video and then join this free masterclass. Let's head over to the discussion with Jay Pandey.
Very warm welcome to you, Jay, and thank you so much for sparing time today to discuss, your journey and everything. Now, let me clear the purpose of this entire discussion. So, what we generally do, like you did into your career, is that you learned a technology which is Power BI, right? One of the most in-demand tool in the market. You learned it for the data visualization and data analysis, and then you showcased your skill on the platforms, and accordingly you started getting good opportunity, and you got the good opportunity also, right? Even as a fresher. And that's what we need to do through this medium, this video, is to tell people out there that Power BI is a technology that anyone can learn because there is no coding and no prior experience is required, right? No technical background is required. Even a fresher can get a good opportunity. So that's the only purpose, right? So what I want you to start with is your journey so far. Okay, how you reached to a place right now, how you have got the job. So what is your past learnings, your educational background, and all those things. Then we gonna move forward.
Yeah. Sure, sir. Sure. Yeah. So starting with my educational background, I completed my graduation in the year 2019. Then in the same year, I applied in the master post graduation, which is Master of Commerce, and completed it in the year 2021.
So you are a commerce background guy, right?
Yeah. I'm a commerce background, non-tech guy. Yes. So after completing my graduation, I started exploring about this data analytics and data science field. As you know, it is the most demanding field in the market right now, right?
Absolutely.
Everybody wants to learn it anyhow. So yes, I got fascinated by it. So I started exploring about the courses and various platforms on YouTube, Udemy, everything. Then it's not working for me. Like I'm a guy from a non-tech background, right? So the coding part is not relevant to me. Like I'm not good at that. So one day in the last December, I was scrolling through my YouTube. I saw your post on Power BI.
So December 2021.
21, yes.
Okay. So what you did in between, by the way? So 19, you completed your graduation.
Yeah.
So then,
preparing for government exams, right?
Okay.
Unfortunately, cannot succeed in that.
That's okay. Yeah. Okay. So, no problem.
And then the pandemic came, and the exams getting delayed again and again. There is no fixed schedule of this examination. So I need to work on plan B. So
okay. After, if I just rephrase this, you completed your graduation from the commerce
2019.
background in 2019,
Yeah.
and then you started
Applied.
2 things. You applied for
Post-graduation. Yeah.
post-graduation in commerce also, and simultaneously you were preparing for the government exams.
Government exams. Yeah.
Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
But because pandemic happened, the exams were delayed, and then
Yeah.
in December 2021, you got to know about my channel and my offerings and everything.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So I just watched the whole session of yours. It was on Power BI. I also remember that 3-hour session of yours. I created a dashboard with you in the video, right?
Okay,
so
that's
I
great.
learned, I learned many things, many new things about Power BI. Because before that, I don't have much knowledge about this tool. I don't know what it's used for. So after doing your course and watching your videos, it just helped me a lot. Then I started practicing it on my own data sets, and then I then as you suggested that you should showcase your talent, showcase your work on LinkedIn, and tag people and connect to the relevant people to your field, to your domain. Right?
Absolutely.
So I did that. I did that on purpose. Like, I want to get a job in this. I got a determination that I have to do this. So yes, it got my interest in it. So I just posted, I just fetched the data sets and started practicing it and posted it on LinkedIn and tag you also. You commented on my paper, and you know what? I created my first dashboard in the month of January, right?
Okay.
So I got 10,000 views on my first dashboards.
I hope you're enjoying this video so far. Let's thank Jay Pandey for sparing time and sharing his information. Comment below, thanks for motivating, and also give this video a thumbs up. Let's continue.
People were asking how do I do this and do that.
Right.
But people from senior companies or senior employees, they were asking questions to me like, how did you do this and do that? We also want to implement in our projects. Yeah.
Right.
So yes, I felt good at that time. So I started building more and more dashboards, just practicing it.
Absolutely.
One day, in the month of Feb, I posted a dashboard on customer churn analysis. So
I do remember that also. Yeah.
So in that post, I got a comment from a recruiter from my current company, which company I'm working right now. So she contacted me, and she conducted a telephonic interview with me on the phone, and she asked me that, are you looking for a job opportunity? So yes, I agreed. Yes, I am looking for a job opportunity. Then next day she conducted. I remember on this my telephonic interview was on 18th, and my interview was scheduled on 19th of Feb. Right.
So 1 second. So you belong to which city?
I'm from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh.
Gwalior. And where was this interview? Where is the company located?
Company is in Bengaluru.
Bengaluru.
It's in Bengaluru. It's an Indian operation. Indian branch is in Bengaluru, and it's a headquarters in New York.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
US. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. So she contacted me and conducted an interview, and next day she scheduled a technical interview of mine, and then in the next day I gave it. Just in my interview, I showed my work to my interviewer. He got really impressed after seeing my dashboards. Yeah.
Right.
Because I don't have that advanced knowledge of Power BI. I
absolutely, I do understand.
I'm a beginner in this field. I only started 3 months ago, right? December started by looking at your videos and following your steps. Yeah.
Right.
So I just want to build my own dashboards and data sets. I just practice, and I don't have any outcome. I don't expect any outcome that I can get a job. I'm just practicing my learning on LinkedIn.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. This got me, and fortunately I got an opportunity to me. Yeah. This was my journey. Yeah.
It's an amazing journey, actually. Yeah. It's something how to explain that? I am having goosebumps right now, because see, it is not a small thing. You know the market right now. After pandemic, also during the pandemic, it hampered a lot, right? And getting a job into this era is something that takes some efforts, right? And the right way is actually showing your capability, what you exactly did.
Yes.
So till that, this is your first job, right? You are a fresher, if I'm not wrong.
Yes. First job, first interview. Yeah.
First job and first interview. That's
Yeah,
amazing.
yeah.
That's amazing. I'm not sure, but you checked it or not. But today itself, at the time of recording this entire discussion, today at 2 p.m. Afternoon, I have posted one video on my YouTube channel itself. Is that number one trick to get 6 lakh per annum package as a fresher? And the trick is you have checked it.
Okay. I've seen that. Yeah.
Yeah. So the trick is all about showing your capability. And if you show your capability to the right recruiter, you're already halfway selected, which is exactly happened to you also.
Yeah. Yes. Sure. Yeah.
It is a rare case actually, that because see, the logic is very simple. What company need is someone who is skilled in Power BI, a tool which is for data visualization. Now, how you can show your capability? By showing the outcomes, and the outcomes are dashboards. And for the end result, without for the sake of getting a job or earning money, you just put in hard work and started creating dashboards and tagging people. And you mentioned 10,000 people viewed your first dashboard. I'm not sure how much you can, understand the value of 10,000 professionals looking at your dashboard. I mean, that's massive. That's massive. If I even 10,000 people, you can on an average say 5,000 people from the different companies have watched your dashboard. So now they know you kind of, that this guy is capable of creating dashboard in Power BI. This is not a small thing. Not at all a small thing. And that's what all we need to understand. And that's the reason we are having this discussion, that people should get inspired by your story.
Yes, definitely.
And one more thing I would like to add it over here. People who, so I train people on Power BI, right? So as you learned also. So people generally, a very small percentage, but people generally ask this question that, okay, how much salary we are expecting after this? And, will I be able to get a job or not? They don't understand that first you need to learn and practice the skills. Getting money, getting a job, getting freelancing projects are the byproduct of your capability and your dedication towards showing your skills to the entire world. Right. And what you did, and there are a lot of people which I've posted the videos on my channel, they did also, and they got massive opportunities by just doing this trick. So it's amazing that within 3 months of the period of learning this tool as a fresher, you got the job even in your first interview. That's massive. Amazing.
Yes. So the only thing I got help by creating my dashboard, the only thing that helped me in my interview, that my dashboards. Yes.
Absolutely.
Whoever will watch this video, I just want to suggest that you should practice as much as you can. Like,
absolutely.
Yeah. If you think you're building a basic dashboard, it's okay. I also started from basics. Everything starts from basics only. No one can jump to an advanced level. No, that is not possible. You should start from basics. Everything will be clear step by step. It's totally easy. Yes,
I am. I am a father of a 1.5-year-old kid. So he used to crawl, not he used to run. Right?
Exactly.
Now he run a lot, but he used to crawl, and we were eagerly waiting for his first steps and all. So everything happens. We also did the same thing, right? We have to take in the first step. We have to stand on our feet first of all, and then we're gonna take a step, and then we're gonna walk, and then we're gonna run. So that's the nature basically. Yes, absolutely. Great. So please go ahead. I'm sorry.
Yeah. You know what, when I started learning this Power BI tool now, I was not sure that I would get an opportunity in this, but your videos, your examples, your interview, the person, the guy you took the interview with, they motivated me a lot, right? They did the job. They motivated me a lot. I started learning just after that, watching that interviews and learning from you. Yes. But I want to thank you for starting my journey in Power BI, because of you created an awareness in the because I don't see many people who talks about Power BI and data analytics like you. You just clear the path. You show me the path that how can I proceed in this path and get a job. You did that.
Right.
Yeah. So I want to thank
you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, so let us just talk about slightly more. Which company you are working with, its industry and the company?
It's in data. It's a data analytics company. Its name is UserReady. UserReady company.
UserReady.
UserReady. Yeah.
Okay.
It has 3 branches in India. One is in
Mhm.
Bangalore. Second one is in Gurgaon, and third one they recently opened a branch in Mohali in
Okay.
2022. Yeah.
Okay.
And company started its operation in the year 2011, right?
Okay.
2011 in New York. Yeah. Then
Okay.
it started its operation in Canada also in the year
Okay.
2017. It's a growing company, fast growing company, I think.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And I've actually seen this companies has posted a lot of jobs on LinkedIn also regarding Power
Yeah.
BI.
Yes.
I've seen that. I've gone through with it. So the
Mhm.
monthly meetings that we do, we talk about that. And the one that you were talking about, the data that you can get it from anywhere, you know
Anywhere.
that we also share a lot of data in our courses, the case study
Yes.
and 5 premium
Yes.
dashboard. So that is in fact enough. When you practice them couple of times and post it onto the LinkedIn platform, you get many
Yes.
opportunities. And you get many DMs, right? You must have got more DMs a
Yes.
lot from the recruiters, from the senior management guys who are looking
Yes.
for a good talent in
Yes.
analysis of the data. Have you got
Yes.
the
Yes.
interview calls after that also, or
Yes.
maybe DMs regarding the same?
Yeah, I got a call from a company named Sodexo. It's a
Sodexo.
French, Sodexo Mumbai. I got a call from that company, but due to some
I
issues, I
provided
attended.
training there in the Mumbai
Yeah.
branch itself.
Okay.
And on Power BI itself.
Nice.
Yeah.
So I got a call from there. So because of relocation purpose, I couldn't proceed that interview.
Okay.
So,
couple of more questions I would like to ask you, which would be
Sure,
very
sure.
helpful for the audience. One,
Sure.
what kind of question being asked to you during the interview regarding Power BI? Can you please, if you remember anything, can you please share that?
Yes, I do remember. Actually, I started my introduction, right? He asked me to give your introduction. So I just started giving my introduction. And at that time, after just finishing my introduction, I said to him, may I want to show you my work. I want to show you my work. So he agreed. So I just shared my screen and started showing my dashboard. So he just forgot that there is an interview is going on. He's just discussing my dashboards. How do you put this? Why you put this there? Yeah. So I know that he's getting impressed and why he's asking questions.
Absolutely.
Then after I showed my dashboard, he just asked some basic dash question. Yeah. He asked some basic dash question. We have covered the dash question in your YouTube
Absolutely.
video. Yeah.
Yes.
The basic dash because he also know I'm a fresher.
Right.
They know where to ask which question or not. So they clearly ask the basic that question. Nothing advanced to nothing to be scared of. Like there is some advanced question you have to answer that advanced. No, it's nothing like that.
Absolutely.
I'm again and again insisting that you should focus on basics if you are looking for a job in Power BI. And yes, one more important thing, start building your own dashboards. It will definitely help you. It will definitely help you a lot.
Absolutely.
Because he want to see you know the skill or not. Because he's sitting there, you can work on this tool or not. That's his job. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So ultimately, not much questions being asked. Basic DEX related question they have asked, and majorly they have seen your work, so they are already okay with that.
Already okay with that.
That's the scenario, right? So you're working as what is your designation over there?
My job role, my designation is a business intelligence analyst. A BI
analyst.
BI analyst. That's my
business intelligence analyst, like Power BI. So it's a BI analyst you are working over there.
Yeah,
that's amazing. So how many people are working over there in your team? You must have a team of Power BI.
Currently, our boot camp is going on, right?
Okay.
So we have 16 members in our team, in our boot camp. People from different background are in my team. From sales background, from mechanical engineering background. Yeah. People from various background are learning the same thing. Yeah. So there is nothing like prerequisite side to learn this skill or to learn this skill. Yeah. Anyone can learn it. Yeah.
Okay. What is the average salary?
Yes, I can.
You can expect. As a fresher. That's what we
as a fresher, anything above 4 lakh per annum to 5, between 5 lakh per annum is an average salary to a Power BI developer. Even 6
Okay.
lakh. I've seen the people who are getting 6 lakhs as a fresher. If you have experience of 1 or 2 years beyond that, yeah.
So that is exponential, because I've seen the
Exactly.
growth into this. You can double your
Yes.
salary guaranteed within 1.5 year to 2 years
Actually,
if you work on this skill.
yes. Actually, our company is basically working on Tableau business intelligence tool, right? They were
Okay.
working on Tableau business intelligence tool before 2019. But after
2019, okay.
but after the pandemic and the 2020, the clients which are tied up with our country are demanding for more Power BI dashboards, right?
Oh, you're right.
So it's a clear indication that people are appreciating the Power BI more because it's
Right.
relevant and it's easy to learn and anyone can learn it. Yeah,
Right.
even the clients.
Absolutely.
Even a person who has no relation with the statistics can see the insights from a Power BI dashboard easily.
Absolutely.
So they are preferring Power BI more, as I see, as you know. I want to share one thing. I made a dashboard on football, right?
Okay.
Because football is my passion.
I do remember.
Yes, I got a good response. Even people from North America and Europe are contacting me if I am free to work with them in a project. Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah,
so you're
yes.
also getting freelancing opportunities, right?
Yes. They were asking me if you are free, so you can contribute in our project or something. Yeah. They were.
So you can start earning in dollars also, or euros also.
There is vast opportunities in this field. Yeah,
absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Okay. One last thing, Jay. What would you like to say to people based on your journey? And one thing, a lot of people are struggling to get good opportunities. They are struggling to get a job. They are stuck in their dead-end job. They would like to move on, and they are afraid because they are from a different domain, right? For someone from HR, someone from supply chain, someone from admin, someone from finance or sales or IT or anything. They're afraid, actually. They don't know the exact path. Like you are from the commerce background. I myself a commerce graduate, right? I did my MBA in finance. I'm not from a technical background, but from past 10 years, I'm explaining technologies like Excel, Power BI, right? Because they do not require any technical background.
Absolutely.
Okay. And they have immense scope into this. So what would you like to say based on your journey in learning and getting a good job? So what you would like to say, a couple of things to people so that they can feel enlightened based on the path they will be able to see, and they can move on onto this path easily into data analytics and visualization.
Yes. People ask me question, how you are a fresher and how can you get this opportunity, right? So yes, because people, there are companies like whenever they post a job, it is clearly mentioned for experienced person only experienced person apply. So if you don't have any experience, you just build your experience, like practice the data set. There are plenty ample of amount of data set on the website, Kaggle or anywhere. You just download it and then you just work on it and post it on LinkedIn. It clearly shows that you are working on it and you have the experience. You are building this dashboard. No one else is building. You are the person who's building it. That will play as an experience in the interview give, whichever the interview give. So I just want to say one thing, like don't feel ever demotivated, like you have a career gap or you are a fresher. Nothing matters. Only your work and skill matters at that time when you are giving the interview.
Absolutely.
If you have the capability and the dashboard you have, no one can gonna stop you from getting a perfect job or domain, whichever you like. Not just Power BI or anything.
Right. It could be any skill. Right.
Yeah. And yes, you also guided me a lot. Yes, so people can connect to you and
Great.
Nothing.
Great.
Yeah. This is the
creating and showing it to the outside world. Two things you have to do. And in fact, if you are into your dead-end job, I believe if you have the zeal to move on, then you have to spend at least an hour on a daily basis to learn a new skill, something which is in demand. Like Power BI is something which is in demand, you can learn, right?
Absolutely.
And like Jay, he did this in just 3 months, right? He learned the technology, he applied for a job, and in the very first interview, he got the job. So
Absolutely.
you can also do it. No need to worry about that if you are into a dead-end job, or you lost the job, or the company is not appreciating you, or there is so much politics, or they are not paying you enough. Then do not worry about it. Learn, upgrade yourself. That's
Absolutely.
only thing which matters, and showcase it to the entire world
Yes.
using the LinkedIn platform.
Thank you, sir.
Right?
Very nice to
Take
meet you,
care,
sir.
Jay.
Take
Thank
care,
you
sir.
so
Take care,
much
sir.
again. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Have a great life ahead. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
I hope you have got massive value in this short video. If you are a fresher or working in a different domain and would like to switch your career into the field of data analytics and visualization, then I'm holding a free masterclass where I will be explaining the entire career scope of Power BI for you. And also upon joining, you will be getting my best-selling ebook, which is 101 Data Analytics and Power BI interview question worth rupees 1500, absolutely free. The link for the same is given in the description, bio, and in the first comment. Go register, and I see you over there.